We're at the NEC today, the annual Auto Sport International show, and again, one of the top 3 biggest shows in Europe and the world. It's great to display what we're doing here today. We're displaying our new car, our new Evolution, promoting the courses in motorsport engineering and all engineering completely. And again, hopefully getting some recruitment as well. We've come away from the Praga, which is a much smaller car, and we've ended up with a much bigger car, which is again a lot more real estate for sponsorship and making sure we can run the teams. It's been quite a build actually, a 9-day build at the factory. We've had our senior students out there learning the car from brand new, learning all the engine fitting, the gearbox fitting. Again, slightly different in this car compared to what we're used to. So we've got students already learning that stuff early. So again, we encourage that peer-to-peer learning at the university as well. So again, we should hit the ground running when we get to the first round. So the partnership with Revolution is, I think, it's a very important one. One thing we strive for is making sure we have the latest technology, which we spoke about earlier about the traction control, the power steering. This is all stuff that's in Formula One already. And the students are striving for Formula One or GTs if they want to be on track or track side. So having the state-of-the-art equipment is obviously important. So that's what they offer in some sense. And a lot of young engineers working at a high level, yet they will come in and hopefully hit the ground running with the knowledge they have, and that will back up what they learn in the classroom as well. You know, the engineering maths that they use on the car will be equivalent to what they learn in the classroom. So again, that's what we're looking forward to teaching them.
Yeah, it's fantastic, isn't it? Shows off the sponsors and the best of the car as well. You know, it's a carbon fibre car, so we can see a lot of carbon in there, and you've got prominent sponsors all over the car. So really great to see. So our relationship with the University of Wolverhampton started about June, July time. Well, no, a bit earlier, May, June last year. We actually shared a garage together at Spa. So Revolution race cars were in one garage; they were next door. And at Spa, there's no dividing wall, so we got to see really how they operate as a race team, and they were very impressive what they did and how they were working and what they were showing the students. And it just struck me that, you know, we're a UK-based manufacturer, Wolverhampton University, obviously UK-based, and I just thought it'd be great to bring the two together and work closely. So the benefits for both Revolution and Wolverhampton go both ways. So from a Revolution perspective, you know, it'd be really great. We're talking about working on a lot of prototype projects together. You know, we have a number of projects internally where we want to develop aspects of the cars and things like that. And if we can wrap that up into a project for the first, second, third year students and put that through the university, then obviously the university get a benefit, and so too Revolution. And then from a Wolverhampton perspective, we're going to be working very closely with the race team. So, you know, we'll be at the races, we'll be there to support them with spares and with technical support. We just want to make sure that it's as two-way as possible. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how the students develop through the year as well. And you know, if we can offer them jobs at the end of it, or they work in the factory too, I'm looking forward to seeing the growth of the students over that period as well.